All right, yo, check it out. I got some farm work to experience it. We're lifting wires, but it's fucked up. Look at these flies, boy. This is crazy. As well, you have to look out for this shit. This is not that fun. That's all I gotta say. Farm work's not that fun, boy. Look. Not fun. Right now, I'm the only one that's walking around with a stick because it's getting the spiders out my way. So this is what I'm doing pretty much. Check it out. You see a big motherfucker like that? Clear this bitch out with the stick. That's it. Yeah, so pretty much you see those wires right there? You gotta lift it up to the next hook. And that's basically what the job is. Complete madness. 3 things out here that you're not gonna like about fucking working in a vineyard. Straight up, gotta be the flies, the heat, the possibility of a snake being around, just chilling in this fucking grass and shit. And the big ass spiders I just showed you. Motherfucking leaf plucking. Basically, remove the leaves so the sun can see the grapes. And here's the Asian doing it. Check it out. And that's the job. Like a farm working video, pretty much.
Okay, yeah. Nice. Yeah, you know what happened, bro?
What?
I bought these Tesh Sultana tickets. I wanted to go to a concert up there, and then I didn't go. Yeah, you couldn't go to that fucking concert, and I tried to sell it on Facebook, but no one really wanted to buy it. And now I've just seen your message you sent it me on Facebook,
yeah.
you know,
yeah.
And I've seen your message. It wasn't on my phone, and I've seen 5 other messages of people like, yo, can I have those tickets? Can I have those tickets? I want to buy them, and I couldn't sell them because I haven't received any messages.
Probably bad reception.
Huh?
Probably bad reception.
I have no idea, but I've lost $200 now, and thousands of people usually wanted to have the tickets, but I didn't receive any message. That's why, and I was wondering why is no one answering me or want to have this ticket? And fuck, I've just lost so many money.
What was the tickets for?
Tesh Sultana.
Okay, okay.
No, she's
yeah.
Oh yeah, I had to check out the other videos of you.
Oh yeah, whenever.
The Margaret River one.
Yo, so pretty much I've come to the conclusion that farm work's not my thing. Crazy shit, boy. Hard work still. Cannot lie. Not my cup of tea. Going to get some water, and I shall not be back. You're basically a shadow.
This is fine. The shadow is gay. What do you want to know?
Just like say that shit again. So pretty much, when you're in Australia, you gotta watch yourself because things like this can happen.
Yeah, they can. So yeah, I worked at horse racing stables for 3 months, 92.5 days to be exact. I worked for 6.5 days a week and got paid for 38 hours a week. We started work at between 1:30 in the morning and 2:30 in the morning. Worked right through until about 12 or 1 in the afternoon and had a couple of hours off before we started the afternoon shift, which was 3 hours. Then we had various duties to do around the house, such as cleaning dishes, making up meds for the next day, like cleaning the veranda. That was a great job. And then it all started again the next day. But yeah, my wages were $400 a week after tax and bed and board. I'm a vegetarian, so I was not. That smells delicious. I was not fully catered for, so I ended up having to buy my own protein. I lived off kind of tins of beans and protein packed peanut butter for a lot of the time. I lost 7 kilograms in total over the 3 months, which I'm not complaining about because I probably needed to lose it, but I've probably spent about $500 on chiropractic appointments over that time. My back is really, really fucked. I have sprained my ankle and it's still fucked. It's about 2 times the size it should be. And about 2 weeks ago I found out that the place I was working at doesn't technically count as an industry that can be counted towards your 88 days, although they've been employing backpackers who have got their 88 days through employment with them for the last 10 years. So hopefully when I get all the paperwork in, it'll just go through without any issue, but if it doesn't, then I'll be quite unhappy because the last 3 months have really been very difficult, very, very challenging emotionally and physically. And although I can say that I've learned a lot and had some great opportunities for the last 3 months, it's not something that I would ever want to repeat or ever want anyone else to go through, in all honesty. So that's my 88 days story. 88 days a slave.
Holy fuck.
Yep.
Where are you from, though?
Toronto.
America? No.
Toronto, Canada, motherfucker.
Shout out to Free State, motherfucker!